Here we are, week 2 of our Blackpoint Drive. I'm here with Charles Boyer, my husband, and this is Maggie Tomei. We're at Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge, and we were greeted by a whole bunch of snowy egrets, great egrets, and little egrets. First thing when we pulled in, and they put on a show for us. And joining the egret party was a great blue heron. He wasn't quite sure what he was doing there. There were literally dozens of these birds within just a few feet of each other. Always one of my favorites is a glossy ibis. And you can really see his iridescent wings in the sunlight. Beautiful bird, and we really enjoyed watching him. Ducks everywhere. There were certainly a lot more ducks this week than last week. I won't try and name them because I honestly don't know. That's my homework for the day. Another favorite is an anhinga. We love coming upon these, and you can just see the beautiful differences in color in his feathers. I just love to see these guys. And more ducks that I don't know. I promise I'll do my research. And we also came upon a tricolored heron, another favorite. I think they're all my favorites. And a beautiful osprey preening his wings or her wings. Always fun to see. And we came upon this American bittern during our little drive. Now we come across a reddish egret along with some ibis. And another nameless duck. I promise I'm going to figure these out. Another beautiful osprey in the sunlight. And a common gallinule. We saw tons of these. This was just one that was up close and wanted to visit. One last look at the osprey, and that's our drive for this week on Blackpoint. We'll see you next week. Thank you.